Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Lego set 40205. It is called Little Elf Helpers and it has 238 pieces. It's got two little elves. It looks like they are sitting at a table making toys. Do they look happy? Let's open it up. A little hammer in there, or a mallet. Lots of small bags of small parts. There's quite a lot of pieces in this set. 238 is a lot of pieces for a small set. They're built out of tiny, tiny pieces. So 4 bags of parts. And an instruction booklet. And on the back it shows the Santa set and the parts. So that's what's in the box. And thanks for watching.